What's the meaning of buckskin? Buckskin. Buckskin.
Buckskin. Buckskin. Buckskin refers to the soft, pliable, and often yellowish tan-colored leather made from deer, elk, or antelope hides. The term buckskin can also refer to the light beige or yellowish-brown color of the leather. Buckskin leather has been used for making clothing, footwear, gloves, and other items for hundreds of years. Today, buckskin is still popular among hunters, outdoor enthusiasts, and those who enjoy traditional crafts and Native American art. Its natural durability, breathability, and softness make it a favorite material for a variety of uses.